Welcome to Skincare with Deborah Diane. Today we are going to be talking all about acne and acne from mask rash. So we are required to wear masks now, so we need to do it to keep our skin healthy. Today we have joining us Jeanie Wright. She has over 25 years of experience. She is trained under Dr. Jame Folton, who is a world-renowned dermatologist. She is also the founder and owner of Portland Acne Specialists, and she is going to be helping us answer some questions on how you can keep your skin healthy while you wear a mask. Thank you so much, Jeanie, for joining us today. Appreciate
Thank you for having me. You bet.
We have been getting a ton of texts and emails and comments about acne, and they're concerned because of wearing masks for so many hours during the day, and now that we have to wear them outside too, it's something that's becoming a concern for the skin. So I'm so happy that you are here to give us some tips and tricks. And first of all, I think the main question is, what is acne?
So acne is typically an inherited condition. It's usually there's a genetic component to acne. So for instance, if you have blackheads, typically one of your parents have the exact same type of acne, or if you have inflamed acne and one of your parents probably had that. So it's just one more thing to blame your parents for.
Sorry, that was funny. So what is the difference then between internal acne and external acne?
So internal acne, what I see is it's usually from certain foods that you're eating, or protein shakes are a big one because there's some ingredients in there that aren't really great. Biotin's a big one. Sometimes supplements that you really shouldn't be taking. Like for instance, if you have inflamed acne, you want to take a certain type of supplement. If you have non-inflamed, you don't want to take what you would take for inflamed. It's kind of a puzzle. You have to figure out how to work with the skin that you're seeing.
Interesting. And then what about external acne?
External acne typically from a cleansing problem, or picking. You know, if you have acne and you pick, it's just going to get worse. But the actual cause of that is what happens is that when you have acne, the pore sheds about 5 times a day, and your body just can't keep up with it, so it causes a pimple or a blackhead.
Interesting. So you would recommend then not to pop any whiteheads?
No, that's the easiest way to create acne scarring.
Interesting. Now, there is a myth that says that if you do pick it, that it can spread. Is that true, that acne can spread to the other areas of your skin?
Well, typically when people extract at home, they don't know what they're doing. And so, yes, you go from one area to the next and you can spread that bacteria around. That is true.
Wow. That's kind of scary. And so if we don't pick a whitehead, will it eventually just go away? Or does that infection have to come out?
I have found that sometimes they go away. Depends on what type of acne. It depends on the severity of the acne.
Yeah, well, I think if it's super severe, they should definitely see an acne specialist like yourself. Yes. For sure.
Typically around the jawline, especially when you're, a hormonal time of the month, or when you go through menopause and you get these cystic acne lesions, and they're there one day and they're gone the next.
Wow. I think I like it when they're gone. So what the most common form of acne that you see as a specialist?
So, well, we have inflamed acne, which is really easy to control. Non-inflamed acne, which is blackheads, that's a little bit, it's a little bit harder to clear, but possible. 95% of the time. You can't really control acne, but you can control the process.
Interesting. Okay. So let's get to wearing masks, because now this seems like our new normal. And now, especially in the state of Oregon, we have now wearing it outside as well as inside with the new laws that are in force as of the 15th.
Right.
But there's so much irritation that are coming from these wearing of the masks.
Right.
And so what sort of advice that you can give to us who have to wear masks?
So I would suggest wearing a disposable mask. So you can, obviously they're disposable, throw them away. Cloth masks, when you use cloth masks, they are, they're going to get dirty. And so I see people wear the same mask day after day after day, and I'm hoping that they're going home and washing it every day.
Okay.
The bacteria that just walking outside.
Yeah. So for me, I get an irritation right underneath my jawline from my mask.
Right.
It's something that hasn't been able to go away, these little bumps and irritations.
Right.
Can you give us any advice for the mask line irritations themselves?
Yes. So Vaseline or Aquaphor would be great to put on the straps of the mask. Aquaphor, I would choose Aquaphor instead because it only contains 41% petroleum, whereas Vaseline is 100%. So you could do that. Try not to wear makeup, because when you wear makeup underneath the mask, it's just going to melt into your skin from the heat, from the sweat. Mm-hmm. So if you need to wear makeup, I would suggest using a mineral powder.
Okay. Okay. And what about the acne that's happening right around the mouth? Is that more from sweat or is it more from the makeup, you think?
I think that, well, there's a lot of stress breakouts too, especially right now. I've seen so many breakouts from everybody stressed out right now.
Yeah.
And I find that it is right here. It's around the mouth. I'm thinking it could be from mask wearing, but I think a lot of it really has to do with stress.
How can we properly clean our face when we wear a mask every day? Is there something different that we should do or add to our regimen?
So I recommend Costco baby wipes for wiping the face off. There's no pore clogging ingredients in them. They're the Kirkland brand are the ones that I suggest. I suggest those to my clients that play sports and they have to wear a helmet and they break out typically right on the forehead. Mm-hmm. Just keep the skin clean.
Yeah. And what about at night? What can we do? Is there anything we can do at night to help moisturize our face that we should be doing?
So I think more of a heavy moisturizer at night or a water-based hydrator is good.
Okay.
Nothing with oils in it.
Yeah.
If you're prone to acne.
Okay. Okay. And so, is there any other advice or words of wisdom with regards to acne or mask wearing that you'd like to share with us?
Well, the only thing I can say for mask wearing is just, if you have the straps, put a little bit of Alacort on the areas that the mask strap hits you, and just keep your skin clean. Use the baby wipes to wipe all that sweat off. Don't wear makeup if you have to use the mineral powder makeup. That's pretty much it.
So it seems pretty simple, as long as we...
It is very simple, yeah.
Good,
yeah.
good.
Try not to stress. That's kind of hard right now.
Oh, stress. I know we've been very stressed out, which causes so many health conditions in general, besides for skin issues. So thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate you so much. And I think that if people are having more questions, they should contact you. So I'll have your links in the description below.
Sounds
and
great.
Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you. so welcome. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it on social media, and if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer those questions. Thank you.